total is 53,000 watts in this truck.
Wow.
It's 11,000 on the stunt wall.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. So is this your system? Nice. It looks really good. Wow. What's your name? What's in here, man?
My name is Ryan Crespo, and this is all DS18 build.
Okay.
Turn the lights off and the police lights off.
It has all DS18, 8 DS18, EXL, 12 double X's. They're all dual tube. It's wired to a half ohm. And it's 4 on each 10K.
Okay.
But we're at 14 volts, so we're only getting 7,500 watts. They're 16 volt amps.
Okay.
10K
Yeah.
at full power.
Yep.
Total is 53,000 watts in this truck.
Wow.
It's 11,000 on the stunt wall. Another 18,000 on the doors, and then 4 on the tweeters and 3 on the horns. And these are 8-inch speakers right here for the mids.
Right here.
Yes.
In your thing. Oh
Yeah,
wow.
so
Okay.
here for with the bass.
Got it. Yeah, yeah. What kind of plexiglass is that? That's pretty thick.
The guy that built the box for us, he went to that place and
Okay.
he took a template for them and
Yeah.
he built it for
That's
us.
sweet. I like it. What's the tuning on it?
I ain't gonna lie, this been so long. We had this box for 3 years. I forgot the
It's
tune.
okay.
It's a 1-to-1 ratio.
1-to-1. Okay. All right.
I'm gonna turn the stunt wall off to do the demo.
Okay. Does this open or close or?
Open.
Open. Okay. Well, your doors are heavy.
Yeah. It's weird because when we close doors, it don't play loud.
They don't play loud. Yeah.
You had it low, and then when it dropped, you put it all the way up. Because it didn't seem like it was going to hit, and then he put the volume up, and then it just
time was good. Left out of school, started selling rocks. Bought me a drum. Cartier frames, Cartier rings,
No, no, no. No, no, no. Elevatorz. Think you a better cause you heard of my entertainment. Good nigga, good week, good vibe. Elevatorz on my mind. Up and down a million times. Loving you. Loving you.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm getting nervous, so can you want capture my soul? I'm getting nervous, so make a one bolombo. Bye, better, bye. Undo, even better than the para. Nothing Josie, I'm in Josie. Won't call if you want one Josie. I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. My third album is loaded. Me, you can back up with them.
You're making me sneeze. When the doors open, it plays really high frequency and squeezes you a little bit.
It's weird because when we close doors, it don't play loud.
You don't play loud, yeah.